I am working with undergraduate and postdoctoral researchers on colorimetric detection methods for portable field deployment. For example, chemical, biological, and explosive agents are significant threats in the 21st century, especially for armed forces and first responders, such as police, firefighters, and emergency personnel. These responders require quick, sensitive, and selective detection methods that can be used to identify specific compounds. Also, quick-check disease detection tests are important to prevent the spread of disease, such as bacterial infections in developing countries or war zones. It has been my goal to develop small colorimetric arrays that can detect multiple substances with one test by changing specific color patterns. And in today's world, since everybody owns and knows how to use a smartphone, my research team and I have developed a smartphone application to analyze these colorimetric arrays. Here you can see an example of our colorimetric sensors. As you can see, there are multiple sensors in 196 well plate. Here you can see the simple inkjet printers that you can buy in any office supply store. And what we do is we take our sensors and we just print them with simple inkjet printing technology. We have developed smartphone applications for Android and iPhones. You can just use the camera, take a photo of the array, and analyze it with the smartphone app. In order to develop this technology, extensive statistical analysis has to be performed to validate the data. After the statistical analysis is performed, we can identify the unknown substances. In this cabinet, you can see hundreds of sensors that can be used for our technology.
I'm really interested in the detection of biologically important molecules released during infections. Currently, these molecules can only be analyzed using sophisticated, large, expensive instruments such as mass detection. Using printed colorimetric arrays that are able to detect and quantify these molecules can significantly impact how biomedical researchers are able to detect and prevent infections.
I'm working with porous surfaces similar to the ones which are used for the sensor project. Using scanning electron microscopy and fluorescent imaging, we can visualize the porous polymer surface, which can be filled with sensors for analytical application. For example, in this image behind me, we can see right down to the individual polymer beads which build the porous structure.
The colorimetric detection technology, coupled with smartphone analysis, has the potential for many applications, including drug detection for law enforcement or by military personnel for the detection of explosives. Inexpensive inkjet printing and smartphone technology helps keep the price per unit per field test low and provides immediate results. But most importantly, the technology eliminates the need for high-tech, heavy, and expensive instruments that require electricity, extension cords, and technical expertise.